Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while that I have been active on my YouTube and my IGTV. So here I am in this new year to showcase all of my skincare products and my skincare routine with all of you. So it's an updated skincare routine for 2021. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Do check out this video till the end and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, skincare is really important for your skin, and if you don't really take care of your skin, then you have to invest even more to really balance out your skin and make your skin look radiant and flawless. So it's important to follow a skincare routine. Likewise I do. So it's very affordable skincare routine that I follow every morning and evening. So it is almost similar that what I do in the morning, I do the same in the night. So if you guys want to check out what I use, then do hang on to the video. So the first step is obviously sanitization. I always sanitize my hands before I touch my face. So I use this sanitizer. You can use any sanitizer. So I just take a couple of drops and I sanitize my hand with it. So I'm freshly out of the shower and I just wanted to share my skincare routine with all of you. My skin is not being acting really nice these days. I don't know why. So I have already cleansed my face. So the second step is toner. Toning is very important as it helps to balance out your pH levels. So the toner that I use is from Khadi. So it's Khadi rose water toner. So it's a very basic toner. So I just take a few drops on my hands and I simply just pat this toner onto my entire face like this. It's very important to use a toner as it will help in calming down and soothing down your skin, and nothing is better than a rose water. So you can use a rose water toner. So I wait for about 30 seconds in between for the next step. Till time I will moisturize my lips. So the lip conditioner or the lip balm that I use is very affordable. It's from Himalaya. So it's a Himalaya lip balm. Sorry, I just use it on my lips to moisturize and hydrate my lips. And now I move on to the third step. The third step is obviously to invest in a good serum if you are above 25 years of age. So it's better that you indulge in an anti-aging serum. It's very important to use a serum because it locks in the maximum amount of moisture for your skin. The serum that I use is from Biotic Bio-Dandelion Visibly Ageless Serum. It is very affordable and it works perfectly fine on your age spots, dark spots and your the dullness of your skin. So I just take a little bit on my fingers, warm it up, and I just simply spread it on all over my face, and then I just pat it into my skin. Always use patting motion for the products that are lightweight, like serums, essence, toners. Always use patting motion. Don't rub these products onto your skin if you want maximum results. Don't forget the neck. Neck is equally important. Most of the people forget their necks, but I think neck is equally important. So always make sure that you moisturize till your neck. Now you again wait for about 30 seconds for this other step after that. So in the meanwhile, we'll use an eye cream. Guys, eyes are the most delicate areas, and eyes are something that will just focus attention. And when you are aging, so it's very important to inculcate an eye cream into your regimen because it helps in depuffing the delicate area. It helps with darkness and it helps with wrinkles as well. So the eye cream that I use is from Biotic. It is their Visibly Flawless Eye Creme. The video is not sponsored by Biotic, but I love their products because they are affordable and they are budget friendly and they works fine for my skin. So I take this much amount. I rub it around my ring finger because we don't want to apply very hard pressure. We want to apply very light to medium pressure, and then I just like to massage my under eye area very gently. Don't be really harsh on your skin because you don't want to hurt yourself. So just massage very gently, and then in the end just pat it. Always focus on the area like the sides of the eyes because there we get the maximum amount of wrinkles. So I always just massage it very gently and just spread it all over your eyes. And that's it. After that, we move on to the last step. This is the last step that I follow after I do my toner, my eye cream, my serum. I follow it with a lightweight moisturizer. So my skin is combination and somewhat oily to dry side. So I always use an aloe vera gel. You can take aloe vera gel from any company. So the aloe vera gel that I use is from Patanjali. You can use any aloe vera gel. So I take a very little amount like this. I rub it around my fingers and I spread it on my face like this. Aloe vera gel are very effective for people who have combination oily skin because we tend to break out a lot, especially on our cheeks and on our chin area. So I always make sure that I use aloe vera gel after as a moisturizer, because any other moisturizer I use I tend to break out. So I use a nice amount of aloe vera gel on my face, massage it for about 2 to 3 minutes in circular motion. Don't be harsh, just be very gentle on your skin. You don't want to hurt your skin. And moving the same product to my neck as well. And that's it. You can always pat in the end and always just, you know, sculpt your face in the upward and outward direction because you don't want sagging skin, and after a certain age you get sagging skin. So it's very important to use upwards and outwards stripewards motions. So that's it. That's what I do in my morning skincare routine. These are the simplest steps that I follow from morning to evening. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you guys find this video useful. Skincare is very important. It's very subjective. It depends on person to person and how you take care of your skin, because skin is something that reflects our inner and outer personality. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy my content. If you do so, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye guys, take care.